So here it is, guys. I am doing the review of the Linear Blocks blocking tools. As you guys know, I previously guide coded and blocked this hood a couple times using some different blocks. I'm not naming blocks. That's not what it's about. So what I decided to do was come back and put some guide code on it and take the linear blocks and re-block this panel again to see what I come up with. Now, I will say I've cut through the blocking a couple times to kind of speed up the process so it doesn't last too long. But what happens is astonishing and amazing to me because, as I said, I blocked this and guide coded a couple times and everything came clean. All guide code was removed. And here you see me at 180 grit, and I'm going across this with a 22.5-inch block, and I've got low spots. So I'm gonna let you guys judge for yourself. Like I said, I'm astonished and amazed because if you would have asked me, I thought this thing was pretty good. I was planning on high building it again anyway, and then coming back and guide coding it. But beforehand, I decided to put some guide code on and hit it with the linear block. And here you can see my low areas that were left behind from the other blocks that I had previously used. So the proof is in the pudding, guys. Go check them out.